Alright, a sample for how you do the transition of each object pop up lah. So starting, my object is very very small. Nothing to be so here. Okay. So next one, got a small things that pop up from the scene. Okay. And then next one, he is stretched out. Okay. He's stretched out. He's still going up. Okay. And then later on the highest place. Okay. I make it slightly bigger a little bit. Okay. So I got this thing. Maybe in here I need to like have a lower little bit more. Okay. And then I recover my shape. So a preview first will be like this. Maybe too fast already. 1.2. And then from the biggest, and then it drop down to the floor. Oops, this one will be 1. Drop down, and then in here maybe slightly bounce out a little bit. I make it 2 frames lah. 1 frame not enough to see it. Okay, so something like this. 你们就一个这样的东西 Okay, the box pop up. You have your object show. Okay, if you want to have nicer, can or not can. We can do what? We can do rotation. Let's say this one is the final one already. Then it drop down. I don't have any rotation here. I set a key in the rotation here. So in earlier here, I can do some rotation in place. So I can go to the graph, my graph editors. Graph editors. Okay. So I know that my rotation at the end must be in this place. This one is pop. I mean it land already. So here I don't want to play. I don't want to play with the rotation. Okay. Earlier I can play on the rotation. So I remove the earlier one. Okay. Go to starting. Maybe in here I show up my rotation. Maybe I can turn rotate negative 360. Okay. So we have this. I think too much already. Reduce a little bit. Maybe 180. Okay. So I might have my object rotating while popping up, and then land. 你们就一个这样的东西玩掉的，可以玩的。你就换另外一个 direction 咯，你是个 negative 嘛，换去 positive 哦。你就玩 rotation 吧哦。Or if you don't want this one, okay, you can play with other axis. Maybe Z axis. Okay, this one maybe 180. So we have this thing. "看得懂吗？这个？我们就换另外 axis 转吧。Where is this? Because this one is the axis from here. Okay, 它这样转的。Okay, so you got this axis. Try 吧 ，try 多点吧，慢慢去学吧。Okay, so this is another way you can do this. You can pop like this one. Okay, you want nicer? Then you land already. Okay, you can play this. I think my pivot I put to lowest. After I land, oops, something wrong. I cannot play with the pivot. Else the object will be go other way. Okay, when I landed, I can do this. I can do a squash beside. Maybe like this. And then going up. Slightly stretch out. It then things will become more nicer. It makes up a lot of like the transition rules that I said lor. Okay, you all have rotation, you got the scaling, so you can play this, so we can have a very nice preview outcome in here. Okay, very squishy, very jelly kind of feeling lor. So let's say you got one, then you can just copy this one, copy the keys, then you got another object. Okay, maybe my second object will be around here. that thing will be here. So I freeze transform, okay, for all this, and then I can put in the keys inside. Okay, and the keys maybe I'll just offset a little bit lah. I'll offset maybe 2 more frames later on that happen. So we'll be like this. OK， 简单吗？这个很简单嘛，对不对？你们只要做好一个，基本上做完了啊。所以我就不要你们做这种太重复的东西，因为没什么东西做。你基本上做完这个，我怕你们学的东西太少了，所以我不要你们做这种太简单的。So you guys can play with others, maybe others transition 啦。Maybe you have like maybe another rotation, maybe another scaling, maybe another transition of translate how it pop. Okay, so go and explore it out 啦，去研究一下你们要做怎样的好看的 timing 吧。OK。